Damien telling to his wife Bianca, "You look so beautiful on your dress." Then his wife Bianca telling to Damien, "You look good in your outfits." And both are happy to see each other. Then Damien and Bianca going to playing with their kids and they enjoying so much fun together and playing together. And after playing, Damien and Bianca kids telling we want to going for sleep. Then their kids going for sleep on their rooms. And Bianca talking to her daughters during sleep, and then suddenly Damien and Bianca little kids crying, and Damien and Bianca going very fast to see their kids and asking what happened. Then they telling we see a bad dream. And then Damien and Bianca telling no, don't worry, it's only a dream. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. See you in the next video. Till that end, take care. Bye bye.